Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. If you're frustrated by the fail to save SBC Changes error in EAFC 25, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through easy fixes to resolve this issue and get your squad back on track. Let's jump right into it. Fix 1. Remove players from active squads launch EAFC 25 on your platform, whether it's console or PC. Navigate to the squads section from the main screen. Review all of your active squads and look for any players that could be causing the error, like players flagged for SBC. If you find any problematic players, like Xhaka or any flagged player, remove them from the squad by transferring them back to your club. Fix 2. Clear SBC Storage Access, the SBC Squad Building Challenges menu in the main game menu. Check for any players stuck in your SBC storage. If you find any, select those players and remove them from SBC storage by transferring them out. Fix 3. Restart the game or application. Completely close EAFC 25. Restart your console or PC for a fresh start. Reopen EAFC 25 and check if the issue still persists after restarting. Fix 4. Try a different platform. If you're playing on PC, try logging into your account on a console, or vice versa. Attempt to submit the SBC from the new platform to see if the issue is resolved. Fix 5. Check server status. Visit the official EA Help website, link in the video description, to check the server status. Look for any alerts related to EAFC 25 or the companion app. If none of these fixes work, feel free to contact EA support for further assistance. That's it for today's guide. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things EAFC 25. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.